I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Every day you're watching the regular videos and sharing the comments. Everyone is supporting with the regular comments. Thank you so much. Today, I'm not going to share any products. Particularly today, I came to spend some time to give a reply and clear your doubts. The comments which I have given in the every video, I just want to share you. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel. If you are looking to start a saree business or boutique or shop, you can home-based business, you can subscribe the channel for the regular product updates, and you can do visit purchase also with Kesaria Manufacturers. So everyone is comments. I just want to share you. So beautiful, the collections, whatever I was just showing you, everyone is sharing. First, I want to say hi to Shanmuga Sundaram sir. Shanmuga Sundaram sir, plain sarees price. Here we do have a plain sarees also with a border sarees, which starts from 130, 150. Depend on the Poonam segment, depend on the rapier segment, the plain sarees which will come with the border sarees. If you want only plain fabric, which will come in the lycra fabric, which is around 45 rupees, you will have a different colors charts. Thank you Shanmuga Sundaram sir for the comments. You can do the video calling also, you can purchase. Next comments, I just want to share this Prakash Ganeshan sir. Hello sir, thank you for your comments. Do you have a linen hand block sarees? So every day I am sharing you the sarees from the linen also. Already the videos has been updated and uploaded also. You can check and you can do in the video calling. The online team will support you. What kind of collections from the cotton segment they will share you. So you can contact our online team. Next comment, I just want to share the comments about the cash on delivery. This is Anush Khavsa. I just want to say everyone, if you mention in the comment from which city you're watching the video and your name, it will be very helpful. I can share your comments because I can see the ideally here. So cash on delivery, yes, for entire India, we are giving the services of COD. Minimum order value 20 to 25,000 for COD you can purchase. No single product, everything you will get a set to set. If you are purchasing this collection, 6 colors, 5 colors depend on the price. So hope you understood sir. Next collections, next comment I just want to show you. Sendil sir, you gave me the comment which is saying a nice collections when I was Mahalakshmi border sarees which I bought from the rapier cotton. Thank you sir for your feedback. If you are really looking for the collections, you can regularly watch the videos. Uniformic sarees. This is from the Surya Deva Kalakshetra. Ma'am or sir, thank you for your comments. This is about uniformic saree, budget friendly, 300 pieces. If you are looking for 300 pieces, you can do a direct video call to our online team. They will take you from the every segment from Poonam or satin. You can find out by through your call. And the uniformic sarees video is also updated and uploaded. Next, this is Vibhya Rock. Sir, you have gave me the feedback. English thoda kam boliye ma'am, foreign nahi hai. Sir, I'll try because we do have a time period where I want to cover the products, I want to share the information about Kesaria. I use very simple English to understand everyone from every locations, everyone is watching. Thank you for your support sir. Thank you. Next comment I just want to share. Karnataka sarees. Please show me the Karnataka sarees. Mohita. Ma'am, sure I am uploading daily Karnataka sarees also. Every day silk saree varieties we are uploading for you. You can surely have a Kesaria Karnataka Kannada Textile Factory channel you can watch, where you will find out the Kannada sarees also in that Kannada language. And next, this is Shimon Shinkai sir. Approx rate please. Sir, in this every video, I just shared the approximate prices, not mentioning here the actual prices because many resellers are tie up with us. Next, once again, the ma'am Sandeepan Sarkar. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your comments. Good looking. Will you tell me the price? Sir, every video we won't share the actual prices. You can just take a screenshot and you can call me. Next, Kolkata. Harsh Vinayak, sir. Thank you that you are mentioned from Kolkata. You're watching the video. Thank you. Regularly, you can watch the videos and you can share with your friends, relatives who is really looking for sarees business. Tamil Selvi ma'am. Hello ma'am, Tamil Selvi ma'am. Hi, you're mentioned from Chennai. You're just watching the video. Keep supporting me. What kind of collections you're looking for, that also you can share with me. And next, BB News 1212. Here, I request every viewers, please mention your name and location from the city. Which city you're watching, please mention it. Minimum order quantity. I can just share with you minimum order value. 20,000 to 25,000 you can purchase. COD options. If it is India, 20 to 25,000. If it is out of India, 1 lakh in Indian currency you can purchase. Based on those weight, depend on the weight, you will get the quantity collections. Next, I have one more comments. Make a video for West Bengal. Sir, sure, again. BB News 1212, which is mentioned. Sure, I'll share you the West Bengal collections in the upcoming video, sir. You can watch the video. And next is Akshara Gaud. Hello, sir. Hyderabad, Telangana, you're mentioned. Thanks for watching and mentioning you're from which city you're watching it. Next is Caution Classes, Coimbatore. Hello, Makle. So, ella channel paakringa. So, in English also, everyone is watching and mentioning. Geeta Solomon. Minimum purchase how much? Minimum purchase, again I want to mention, 20 to 25,000 is from India. And the last comments, which is Kausalya ma'am. Thanks ma'am. நீங்க வந்து எப்படி போட்டிருக்கீங்கன்னா ஆர்டர் எப்படி போடுறது, நீங்க தெலுங்கு பார்த்தாலும் இங்கிலீஷ் coming to English comments I'm reading, but the comment is in Tamil, in English. Ma'am, Kausalya ma'am, order, how to place an order, the numbers which are scrolling on the video, you can just call the numbers. The online team will guide you. They will take you to the video call. You can do normal voice call also. Next is, hi sister Saranya Mish. Hi sister. Everyone sister calls me. It really connects to me with you everyone. So hope I have cleared all the comments by the replies by this video. Hope you understand. So every video, please watch the videos and put your whatever the doubts you have, you can let me know in the comments. So I will take some particular time and I'll share you the replies. So hope you enjoyed this video. Keep supporting me, and regularly you can do product videos, you can quickly do COD options, you can place an order. Enjoy those collections. Next video will meet with new more collections and informations. Keep supporting, subscribe the channel friends. Don't forget to mention your city and your name in the comments. So next video will meet. Take care. Bye bye friends.